I have seen this. The roof of the bathroom has fallen off. You can see. We are lucky that we were not in the bathroom that time. It just fallen off from the top. You can see the top roof has got crack all of, and I can see some of the water is basically coming out. Yeah, this is the top ceiling. Okay, if you come down, you can see the lot of stuff is basically went inside the roof in the cupboard. Uh, just managed to get them out because it will block uh, the cupboard. So I just took off some of them. You can see a lot of stuff is spread all over. It's really horrible. I'm quite surprised that it happened. Yeah. So everything is falling off. You can see here. You can see here. You can see here. So I can see we need a immediate attention to solve this problem as soon as possible. I think we need to visit the top floor and find out the actual reason. I can see some electrical wires are also being seen here. You can see it's really I feel it's dangerous, and I'm hoping it should be uh, rectified as soon as possible. It's really horrible. Yeah, you can see in the floor. Yeah, all this stuff is like the broken stuff is fallen off. I'm just going to clean it because we have to use the bathroom, but I have took all the photographs and everything so that it will be a evidence for the um, the incident. Now say 12 o'clock in the night, so I can't send you an email, or probably I can't call you now. So I'm just sending an email just to make sure that you are aware of this stuff. Yeah. um, this is the all the broken stuff is spread over here. Yeah. There is a hanging stuff. I'm not sure it can help. It can it can can fall over any time. It's still leak. It's dangerous. Yeah. I'm not sure whether the whole roof is basically infected or probably, uh, but that part is really for me it's a little dangerous. Yeah. It's unhygienic, and I'm not sure how to cope up with this one. So I'm going to clean all this stuff. It's basically spread all over here, and then I'll let you know by tomorrow morning. Okay, thank you. Then bye bye.